Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to go ahead and move your Pi. Once your Pi have been moved to the Pi browser wallet, then how to move it to the exchange in order for you to go ahead and withdraw your Pi so you can actually sell it and cash out. So in order for you to verify that your coin is already in your account, you just need to come to the minute section and you're going to see migrated. So if you can see migrated here, it shows the migrated amount to your Pi browser. So I'm going to go to the Pi browser. So this is my Pi browser, and make sure you go into your Pi browser and enter your wallet. So from the wallet section, you're going to see your Pi, and you're also going to take note of your available balance. You can see my available balance is nothing, and if I try to send out of this, it's going to show me that my available balance is 0.01. So what do I need to do? What you need to do is you need to come to the migration section. Then coming to the migration section, you're going to see this move, then you click on move, then click on move to available balance. So you can see right here. All right, so as you can see, I've moved this amount to my available balance. So now that this amount has been moved to my available balance, what I want to do is to go ahead and go to my BitGet. As you can see right here, this is BitGet. So you come to your assets, then on the assets tab, make sure you have BitGet installed and you also have your account already, because I'm not going to do all of that. So come to the assets section, then what you want to do is to click on search. Click on this little search icon here. Then once you click on this little search icon, then you click on search, then you type in Pi. Then you have to scroll down and search for Pi. You scroll down, search for Pi. This is Pi right here. If you are not following me, guys, go ahead and follow me. As you can see, the price of Pi is already reducing. So what I'll do is I'll come to here, then I'll click on deposit, then I'll click on this, copy this, then I'll come back here, then I'll click on pay, then enter manual wallet address, then paste the address there, then put in the amount of Pi I want. Let's say for example I want to withdraw 10, then I'll click on send, and I'm going to send. So as you can see, please refer to the history page confirmed. So I'm going to go back, and as you can see, I've sent out 10 Pi to my wallet. So as you can see right here, this is minus 10 Pi sent. So I'm going to open this. I'll go back. All right, so on this section, if you come to this section, you can see right here on the Pi section, if you tap on Pi, then tap on this transaction icon, you're going to see your transaction history. As you can see right here, account balance amount 10 Pi. So you can see it has been deposited into my account. It took about a few minutes, so I'll just reload this page, push it down here. So as you can see right here, done. So you can see the amount of Pi I have right now. So that's it, guys, on how to go ahead and withdraw your Pi. So if you want to transfer your money to, you can actually convert this to USDT. To do that, you just come to the trade section, and from this trade section, what you want to do is to click on sell, then click on this top here. You click on the top here, so you can change it, then change it to Pi slash USDT, then you put in the quality, then you click on sell. So I'm going to click on confirm, and I've sold it, as you can see. So if I come back to this page, you can see I have this amount of USDT in my account now. So this is how you can actually withdraw. So now to withdraw, you might have to send it out of BitGet to a Bybit, so you can actually use the Bybit P2P. Alright, so if you're not familiar with the Bybit P2P, I have a video concerning how to sell coins on Bybit P2P, and you can check the description below so you can do all of that. So that's it, guys, for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.